Okay, now we do calculation about the fraction. This one is a mixture fraction. So we change to improper fraction. Let's do this equal 3 times 2 plus 1 over 2. Okay, here 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Here. Okay. And this one we changed from change improper fraction to mixture fraction. So we can do that. 10 we can change to like this. 10 divide 3. We get 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 1. 1 is the remainder. Okay. Here remainder, it means here denominator is 3. So 3. Remainder is here, 1 over 3. We write this form to this one. It's equal. Okay, here. We make a reduction about this fraction. So here 10 is odd. It's even, not odd. It's even. 24 is even. So we can divide them, divide 2 with the numerator and denominator. So 10 divided 2. 24 divided 2. Okay. So 10 divided 2 is 5. 24 divided 2 is 12. So now we cannot simplify with the other thing, other number. It's a simple fraction. Okay, here we do calculation about 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. Okay, here. So now we do that. We copy. First step, copy 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. Don't do calculate first step. We want to find a common fraction, common factor. So here, no, now is this part, total part, 2, 3 is a numerator, and here, this part is the denominator. So we can find something. Now we can divide something from a numerator and denominator if we divide same factor. So this equal original fraction. So here I will divide 2 because this is odd number. This odd number. Okay, this 1, and here is 2. So now we cannot find the other factor again. So equal this here is 3, and 2 times 5 is 10, and this 3 over 8 divide 6 over 10. So this is the divide. So when we do calculation, we should change this divide to multiplication. But meanwhile, we change upside this fraction 6 over 10 to change the denominator to numerator. So we do that. Okay, 3 over 8 times 10 6. Okay, but don't calculate. First we find some common factor. So here is 3, here is 6. We numerator and denominator, we can divide same number at the same time. So this 1 divide 3 is 2. Here divide odd number. Okay, first divide 2 is 4, divide 2 is 5. Okay, so now here is 5. Here 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, Here 5 over 8 is a simplified fraction. Okay, this one here. We do the calculation 2 over 3 plus 7 over 5. So, but this denominator is different. So we must, when we do the calculation about this kind of form, we should make the denominator same. So here, how to do the same? Here is 3, here is 5. So we make a common times. So here 2, 5. So oh no, here not 5. Okay. Okay, 3. And here is 3, here is 5. 3 times 5, we make a numerator, denominator, and time same factor. Time 5 time 5 plus 7 times 3 5 times 3. Okay, so here we times numerator denominator, we at the same time we times 3, so it's equal to original fraction. So this one is same. So now the denominator is same, so we can plus the numerator together. This 5 times 3 is 15. This 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 10 is 31. But this is improper fraction, so we change to a mixture fraction. So 2 1 over 15. And this one 3 over 4 minus 1 over 8. This is our same problem. The denominator is different, so we first step should change their denominator to same. So here is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Change to 8. So 8 is same. So we do that. 3 times 2. Don't forget. So when you make the change here, you want this new fractions equal to original fraction. The numerator denominator must times same number at the same time. Okay, here 3 times 2, 4 times 2. This is equal original number because we times 2 at the same time from numerator and the denominator. So now minus 1 over 8. So now all is the denominator 8. So now the denominator is 8 same. So now numerator we can calculate. So here we have enough space. 8 over 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5 over 8. We no need a reduction. Reduction. So here is a simplified form. So this one 3 and 1 over 2 divide 2 and 1 over 3. So this kind of form of calculation, first step we should make this mixture fraction to improper fraction. Then second step, we change this division to multiplication. Okay, here we do, here we have enough space. Okay, 2 times 2, 3 times 2 plus 1, and divide 3 over 2 times 3 plus 1. Okay, and here 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, we change the form, division to multiplication. Don't forget upside down. 3, 7. Don't calculate. Just you try to find some fraction. This from numerator denominator. If they are same, just you can cancel them, so they can reduce the calculation time. Okay, here divide 7 equal 1. Divide 7 equal 1. Okay, so now the is 3 over 2. But 3 over 2 is improper fraction, so we change it to other form. So we change to a mixture fraction. 1, 1 and 1 over 2.